What is up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be going over the different type of guard systems that there are in the barber industry. So let's hop right into it.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of la chop, baby, so cold.
What is going on, everybody? It's your boy, Jesse Ray, aka The Phoenix Barber. And one of the biggest things that confused me when I was starting out learning how to cut hair, becoming a barber, was that there really wasn't any videos explaining the different type of guard system. So in one of my videos, I actually go over the guard system, but I actually went over just the Wahl system. Now, barbers use 3 different type of guard systems. They have the Wahl system, we got the Andis system, and last but not least, the Speedo system, which I'm actually not going to be going over in this video. I want to keep it real simple. So I'm just going to go over the Andis system and the Wahl guard system. So before we go into the different type of guard systems, it's extremely important that I go over some of the major brands for the barber industry that are out there. First, we have the Wahl brand. Secondly, the Andis brand. Thirdly, we have the Babyliss brand. And fourth, the Oster brand. Now, there are other brands that are out there, but these are just the main barber brands that most people use in the industry. So I'm only going to be going over these 4 brands. Now, one of the biggest things that separate the guard systems, the Wahl guard system and the Andis guard system, is their clippers, right? Right here, I have the Wahl Magic Clips, and over here, I have the iconic Andis Master. Now, the reason why there's 2 different type of brands is because the levers on both of these clippers for the different brands open up to different lengths. So for the Wahl clipper, it opens up to a half. So when you open up the lever all the way, it opens up to a half. And now the Andis is a little bit different. The Andis, when you open up the lever, it opens up to a 1. Now, because of this, you have to develop a guard system that is different between the 2, because there's no way that the Wahl guard system can fit evenly with the Andis system because they open up to different lengths. So each brand had to develop their own system. So just real quick, I want to demonstrate this to you. So I have the Wahl Magic Clips. When you close the lever, that's a 0. So when you open it, that's a half. And because that's a half, the 0 guard, when you have the lever closed, that's a half also. And when you open it, that's a 1. You put that 1 guard on, closed, that's a 1. Open, that's a 1.5. And lastly, when you have that 1.5 guard on, lever closed, that's a 1.5. Open, that's a 2. Because the Wahl clippers only open up to a half, they have to add different guards to compensate for it. Although when you're doing your blend, it should be perfect because there's so many guards within the process that Wahl's making sure when you're fading, you have everything necessary to you to make that blend perfect. Andis, on the other hand, is a completely different story. When you have it closed, it's a 0. When you have it open, it's a 1. Throw that 1 guard on, close, that's a 1. Open, that's a 2. And that 0 guard is there, so if the blend isn't perfect, you can kind of finesse the fade and make sure the blend is clean, is sharp, is straight. Feel me? Now, because of this Andis guard system, they shorten their steps. Therefore, theoretically, your fade should be a lot faster because you're cutting out a whole step with the Andis system. Although when you're using the Andis system, it does take a little bit more finessing. You got to use that circular motion a little bit more just to make sure that blend, that fade is on point. As opposed to the Wahl guard system where they have everything just there for you. All the guards are supposed to open perfectly, so the blend should be on point. Now, one of the things I do want to go over is that different brands adopt these systems. For the Wahl brand, Babyliss actually can use the Wahl guards, the whole Wahl system, because this is the Wahl premium guard. This is the Babyliss 880s, the old school corded ones. These guards fit on this clipper. And when you open up this clipper, it opens up to a half without the guard. So when you put this on, this is the 1 guard, it opens up to a 1.5. So it can adopt the Wahl system because of this. So to recap, both the Wahl and the Babyliss brands both adopt the Wahl guard system because when you open up both of their levers, they both open up to a half. Therefore, the guards can intermingle between the two different brands. So the same principle applies to the Andis brand and the Oster brand. So this clipper, I have the Oster fast feeds, and this clipper I have the Andis master. These are the Andis magnetic guards. And because the Oster clipper, when you have the lever open, it opens up to a 1. It can adopt the same system as the Andis guard system. So these Andis magnetic guards can actually fit on these Oster fast feed. It opens up to the same length as the Andis master. Therefore, these two brands can intermingle with the same Andis guard system. Now for the third system, the Speedo guides, they can actually go on all the clippers. So they can go on the Andis, Oster, Wahl, Babyliss. Those are some universal guards. You would have to do your research on that because I'm not going over that in this video. So, so I hope you guys can take away something from this video. When I was first starting out, those two different guard systems were really confusing to me. And I wanted to make a video, now that I'm more seasoned in this industry, explaining this to other beginners so they don't have to go through the same things that I went through. Make sure to comment below other videos that you guys would like to see. I'm gonna be posting a video once a week. So I'm gonna be reading through your comments and seeing what you guys would like to know next. So just make sure you shoot a comment below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Jesse Ray, AKA The Phoenix Barber. Make sure to go follow my Instagram page at The Phoenix Barber. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.